In 2024, a world of enchantment and wonder awaits in Wales. Join us as we reveal the top 10 reasons why this captivating land should be your destination of choice and uncover more traveler insights along the way. Let's begin our countdown with reason number 10. Wales boasts over 2,700 kilometers of pristine coastline. But did you know that the Wales Coast Path allows you to explore every inch of it? This 870-mile path, the world's first uninterrupted coastal trail, is a hiker's dream. Each step unveils dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and panoramic ocean vistas. And now, to reason number 9. While you may have heard about Wales's castles, did you know that the Caerphilly Castle, nestled in the south, boasts the title of the largest castle in Wales? Its striking moat and leaning tower are simply awe-inspiring. For a more enchanting experience, visit Conwy Castle at twilight when it's dramatically floodlit. On to reason number 8. Snowdonia is not just about conquering peaks. Dive into local lore as you explore Dolbadarn Castle, perched beside the serene Llyn Padarn. This medieval marvel transports you to another time, while nearby, the adrenaline-pumping activities at Zip World offer a modern thrill. Now, reason number 7. Cardiff's charm is irresistible, but don't miss the hidden gems. Roath Park's swan-filled lake is a serene oasis within the city, while the eclectic shops of Cardiff's arcades offer unique finds. Explore Cardiff Bay's waterfront, where the Wales Millennium Centre stands as an architectural marvel. As we journey to reason number 6. When you think of Welsh adventure, think beyond the obvious. Beyond ziplining and caving, try coast-steering along the rugged shores of Pembrokeshire. This exhilarating sport combines cliff jumping, swimming, and exploring sea caves for a truly unique experience. On to reason number 5. The Welsh language, known as Cymraeg, is a living treasure. It's not just spoken, it's celebrated. Explore the Eisteddfod, a colorful festival of music and poetry where the language flourishes. The Welsh love sharing their heritage, and you're invited to join in. Reason number 4. Beyond traditional Welsh dishes, explore the culinary scene in Cardiff, a foodie's paradise. The award-winning street food at Cardiff Market will tantalize your taste buds, while nearby Cowbridge offers delightful farm-to-table dining. Now let's delve into reason number 3. As you walk the same streets as literary legends, picture the tales that unfolded. Roald Dahl's City of the Unexpected in Cardiff transforms ordinary streets into whimsical wonderlands, and the magical setting of Tintern Abbey inspired William Wordsworth's immortal lines. as we approach the pinnacle of our countdown. Did you know that Brecon Beacons National Park, a designated dark sky reserve, offers guided stargazing sessions? Gaze upon the Milky Way, Saturn's rings, and distant galaxies as expert astronomers unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Before we reveal the #1 reason why you should visit Wales in 2024, check out this video for 10 reasons not to visit Scotland. If you're finding value in this video, show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with friends who love travel. Now back to our adventure. The top reason to visit Wales in 2024. Welsh hospitality is more than a gesture. It's a way of life. When you visit a local pub, don't be surprised if someone strikes up a conversation. They're not just being polite, they're genuinely interested in your journey. The warmth of their welcome will stay with you long after your trip. So, pack your bags and prepare for an adventure that goes beyond the expected. In 2024, Wales beckons with open arms and endless wonders.